Make sure you know, ask about us, man. Niggas saving money in a miracle, baby.
Now welcome to the city of game. Piece of chains and swings. Pop trunk and bang. Yeah, I'm still here, man.
Hey guys, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step. And as I told you in the last video, we are going to be thrifting all the way from Texas to Florida to pull up to SneakerCon. And this is day one. I'm with the homie Ashton right hither. So yeah, man, we're starting the day off in Houston. The van is loaded crazily. Like, look at that shit, bro. This van is full of nothing but vintage heat, and we got my son high-key getting crushed down there. But basically, man, we're in Houston right now. We gotta hit one thrift before we dip out the city, and that is this family thrift on I think it's on I-10 East, baby. So yeah, we're gonna go in, see what they got, and then hit some stores in Louisiana, and all the way to Florida. Let's get it. Bro, the sleeve never deceives. Pulled up in the store, banger, straight out the gate. $4 St. Louis Blues, all embroidered CCM jersey. The Obermeyer. Bro, but yeah, man, just pulled up in the store, found a lit ass find already. Hopefully that sets a precedent for how this trip is gonna go, because that shit crazy. Bro, who said we can't find Jordans in the thrift? Boy pulled up with the 14s. These are definitely the perfect size for like a plush. They just got minor dookie on them, but nothing to really worry about. Also, man, Ashton found that Michigan Wolverine, old school little Nike jersey right there, embroidered swoosh.
No name. No name.
That's because it's collegiate, bruh. Them players can't get paid.
I've been up in here trying to get a motherfucking scholarship.
Hey, we got a little unbranded boy right here. This little vintage jacket. I just like the color block on that guy. So that, of course, is grab, and his 4 doll hairs. Hey, man, these are low-key clean, bruh. What'd you say?
I think I had these as a kid, bro.
Oh, shit. We digging through the Instagram vaults. Oh my God. Wow.
Nostalgia, bro. That's why we do it.
Dang, if you were like a big-footed 2-year-old, maybe these were yours.
Damn.
That's crazy. Damn, that Tommy for your damn mommy. Look at that color scheme, very clean and 90s-esque. What the hell is this? This is like pure hieroglyphics, like,
looks like
straight
13,
up.
looks like 15.
Looks like 13 degrees 45. Like, what the fuck is that? We're gonna see. We're gonna try and get them to interpret this price for us.
It's what you interpret it to be.
They didn't know what the hell the price is as. Okay, I rarely do this, but shout out my ex though. She works here, but this shirt looks so good on me, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, if all else fails, I wanna be a straight up Nordstrom Rack employee. Cause that green with the gray sleeves, bro, it's a fit. See, I told y'all, man, straight up Carfax, bitch. My, oh my. New school, but still cool, man. You got the Tommy striped polo. $6.
Ballin' like I'm in the NBA.
Damn it. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. I got your shoes right here, man. I got the 2 stars. Really? Bro, this is easily the most turned club in the world. The Beta Club. Also, man, I found this t-shirt. Sometimes I don't like perusing through all these t-shirts just because it's like an enormous quantity. However, I found this vintage Star Wars tee, and it has an old school tag, and it's Han Solo in his like frozen stone form. It honestly is just an unappealing ass shirt, but it is cool that it's old school Star Wars. But like, what's up with this design, bro? Yo, Ashton just astutely pointed out that they got that Burberry child carry system going on, bro, with this nice beige stroller. Fuck. Ooh, man. Check this one out, baby. Made in USA Nike Essential crew neck, coming in the vomit color. Thing looking like pond scum, bruh. It's nice though. Bro, I go hard in the paint, Pat Ewing. Bro, check it out. They got the dead stock vintage Twin Enterprises New York Knicks snapback. This thing got all the tags on it. Yo, it was sold in Kmart for $2. Hey, we got another little hat exclusive for all you frat boys. You know, you got the little Keystone Light, low quality ass, water ass, beer ass looking hat ass. It's a Velcro back, low quality, just like the beer itself. And yeah, guys, don't sleep on your women during the holiday season. I'm not talking about Valentine's Day. I'm talking about the holiday after. I'm talking about Easter, bro. Pull up to the pastel plush section and don't get caught lacking, all right, man? See, look at this, man. This is a panty dropper right here, boy. Panty dropper. Dude, that color's breaking the camera. They got a members only for ladies. And it is a super bright pink, $7. Yeah, man. All right, bro, what you think of that store?
Yeah, you can't tell me shit.
Okay, we're out of there. Shout out to homie Edgar. I saw him once again. But yeah, man, we got a fat ass, obese bag of heat. Yeah, dig.
I hopped out the coupe and no presents a bitch.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
It is the next day right now. We're in Slidell, Louisiana, even though that's a lie. We're in Baton Rouge. I just felt like saying Slidell. We're going to Goodwill. You know, we had a adventurous one store of thrifting yesterday. But this Goodwill looks like the exterior of a barber shop or something. Dude, they just pulled up with a shark tooth like that? What the fuck? Okay, we're gonna go in here and see what's going on. Jesus Christ, man. I just pulled up and on this rack was this full tracksuit right here, man. Clean ass sleeves. The sleeve never deceives. You guys know that. Hell of a way to start the day. No way. This man just pulled up with the Simpsons Migos tee. Bro. In like 30 years? Come on, that's gonna be a gem.
Do it look like I'm left out Baton Rouge? What'd you say?
That's a rap sheet for 2030.
Yeah. Straight up. Somebody got a ticket.
Yikes.
All right, guys, we're hopping out of there. Unfortunately, man, I had to start off the morning being an asshole and dividing a family. It was expensive to buy the full tracksuit, so I just abandoned the pants. So, RIP to all their familial ties. But anyways, man, we're gonna proceed to the next. All right, man, after some vegan food, we have arrived at the next store, which is the Salvation Army Family Store. Even though Google Maps lied and said it was St. Vincent de Paul, but either way, this kid is not wearing his hat properly. Tripping.
Used to rock the Bugle Boy, now rock designer jeans.
I remember rocking Bugle Boy, now rock designer jeans. God damn.
Should I go there?
Bro, this is a crazy Bugle Boy piece. Like, it has a fat ass patch on the back. And it has Global Challenge embroidered in, or knitted in the material. Wait, they also got this crazy ass hat. Almost like a real fashionista in this thing. And a newspaper boy at like a diner.
Look at the dust.
Oh shit. Oh dude, this got the Martian soil on deck.
Sprinkle a little season on the salad. Relieve my heart of malice.
Oh, make it rain. That's straight asbestos. Dude. Oh my god. Wait. Okay, these are actually pretty heat. Check it out, man. They have the SpongeBob racing jacket, kicking back in bikini bottom. Then they got the Dora jacket. Hold up. Then they got the Diego jacket. Hold up. Then they got another Dora jacket. Dude, how much are these? These are actually kind of gas. Like, this one would fit like an adult small. Nice! And already, baby. So we made out like some bandits with a bunch of these jackets and a fresh new box. Nice. Yo, we just emerged in another Goodwill, and look at the crispy screen printing on this LSU crew neck, man. It's the eye of the tiger right there. I also found this like Stearman National fly-in with the old school like U.S. Army Air Force logo, and he got the Steamboat Colorado dude hitting that slalom off a damn mountain. I really like the graphic and colorway of this guy, so I'm gonna get it. I don't know about you, but I do know about that LSU, and that's a cop. Dude, how clean is this? They got the Garfield glasses. So crazy, dude. Jim Davis signatures. They're like a McDonald's collab, I guess. 1978. Those are really cool. Well, what do we got here? Oh my god, dude. So you got the Warren Moon vintage Reebok jersey. And then the Chris Paul, dude, that is such a clean color scheme. Honestly, I just love it because it says Paul. Obviously, that's my name sometimes. I wonder how much this is. Come on. 20? Oh my god. Tripping. But no, man, this Chris Paul jersey actually is so fire. It's like the Mardi Gras edition, straight Bourbon Street encrusted. I don't know, man. The color scheme is just so dope. And the fact that it just has my name peeking on the back. Oh man, very tempting. Holy hell. Show them the technique. Show them the shooting technique. Alright guys, so we have ventured to the next spot, which is another Goodwill. This one looks like it's in a more seedy shopping center, which definitely is better because I hate like these high fashion wannabe Goodwill just because their prices are crazy and their selections aren't. Tripping. Aha, my theory is correct. Hypothesis confirmed. No, he's shaking his head too, bro. We got some stuff in here. You got the Liverpool Adidas all embroidered jersey, $4. Oh, that DHU, that Duckhead University. Hey, man, Duckhead. Tell your girl to get some brain at Duckhead University. Bro, this is dope. Yes. Oh, then you got a couple dual-wheeled La Resistance des Drugs t-shirts. Love them, man. Dual-wheel gang. Twinning. Edit. What's that, it? What's it? Guys, this is definitely the type of group that knows that fishes get you hella bitches, bro. The Bayou Buddies Bass Club, bro, they with the shits, for real. Dude, I just turned this around. It's that boy, Ferdinand Towers, AKA Fernando Torres, the GOAT? Come on.
Ben Haim first to him. Torres gets past him and scores his first Liverpool goal on his Anfield debut.
Hey man, jumping out that Goodwill, got a nice little parcel, nice little morsel of heat. Yeah, I think we're gonna try and get out of Louisiana. We've been in here for like 4 hours, bro. Like, not this store, but in the state. It's time to dip. All right, get a nice little glance of the scenery. We got a few, come on, bro. Why are the t-shirts jumping off the freaking racks? We got a few pieces. You got the Guess Jeans American Originals with that really cool Guess USA tag. You have a Harley Davidson embroidered Iraq tee. Bro, come on. Show them what you got. That bootleg Tommy Girl with the $10.99 bootleg price tag on deck. Clean-ish embroidery. Yeah, and Slidell slid through with the great little headwear. Shout out Mexico. And also you got the Fishes Get You Hella Bitches on the single stitch in this bitch Hanes beefy tee. Nice. Bro, he's in there, dude. You better get him before I do. You better. I hate a what especially? I hate a goofy especially.
I hate a goofy especially.
Oh, what's wrong with his pants?
Dude, chill out, bro. Why are you just exposing him?
That's not my fault.
Ew, what has she been doing? What them hands been, girl? Nasty.
All right, I'm not.
Electronics section booming. They got the legally blind person remote.
Pick up the phone, baby.
Near, far, wherever you are.
All right, so we jumped in another store. I forgot to change batteries, but we got some low-key heat, man. You got the double-sided American Horseman tee right there. A lot of horses. You have the beautiful vintage Walt Disney World tee. Bang. You got a Praise Productions, okay, single stitch. Interesting little graphic. And this piece right here, that Polo Sport. Put that thing in sport by Ralph Lauren. Cracked, but still glorious looking. Nuts. Who this guy pulled up with, man? That Tommy for your mommy yellow fleece. Oh my gosh. All right, so my battery just died, but I have to show off the rest of the finds in this store. Got the Montreal, Canada with the wolves and the fleece. You got to Shock Me Say Something Intelligent Betty Boop with an attitude, $3 tee. You have the Auburn Tigers Logo 7 vintage tee. Oh, this shit got a hole in the sleeve, RIP. And then you also got the Auburn Champion, future friendly Champion fleece, all embroidered crew neck. Ooh. All right, guys, man, we proceeded. We're finally out of Louisiana in Mississippi, outside this giant Goodwill. It looks, it looks freaking insane. So we're gonna go in here and see what's good. I love these old school looking ass buildings. All right, so this is a giant store. We went through all the tees, but this piece is a banger, bro. When I touched it, it was so thin. I thought it was like a new school like print, but this is a 1993 single stitch in this bitch. American Biker Sturgis tee. Bro, you see our founding fathers in the damn reflection. This guy's straight peeping Mount Rushmore. Then on the back, the buffalo skull. Oh my God. Yeah, I got like a little stain, a giant hole. But this is like perfect patina. I don't think I can wash this. This will just like fall apart. But yeah, I also got the Senior, baby. Good wrench racing. Beautiful Dale Earnhardt jacket. Very nice. Then my camera died. I forgot to shoot a conclusion. But I love y'all, and we'll pick up tomorrow. Back on the road. From Texas to Florida. Stay tuned. It's going down.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get